Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. I'm Tanvir Ahmed Khan from the University of Michigan, and today I will present Daemon, our technique to efficiently identify and repair data locality problems via profile-guided optimizations. Let me start with the motivation behind our work. While preparing for today's presentation, I searched for WesDI 2021 on Google. This Google search for WesDI 2021 took around 700 milliseconds. This latency is pretty good in terms of user experience. However, to serve that single search query, Google had to use 8 processor cores during those milliseconds. Now consider serving billions of users over the planet. Serving so many users means companies like Google and Facebook deploy millions of processor cores in their data centers. Deploying so many processors over tens of data centers incurs millions of dollars in management and energy cost. More importantly, these many processors are responsible for the planet-scale carbon footprint. Therefore, if we can improve the performance for each of these services even by a few percentage points, we can not only save millions of dollars but also build a better future for our next generation. To do that, let us see why a single web service requires so much compute effort. When researchers at Google investigated the microarchitectural performance of Google Web Search, the results were really surprising. Only 32% of all CPU cycles are spent in doing good work, retiring and executing useful instructions. All the other cycles could not retire any instruction because of issues in fetching and decoding instructions, incurring misspeculations, and waiting for the execution units to be available. However, the biggest chunk, almost 21% of all pipeline slots, are lost due to memory stalls which happen when the processor is trying to access data which is not present in the caches near the processor core. We call this problem poor data locality, and in this work, we focus on solving this problem. Prior work to eliminate these data locality problems can be classified into two categories: compiler optimizations and dynamic profilers. Compiler optimizations automatically improve data locality via different program transformations. Dynamic profilers, on the other hand, help developers identify poor data locality instances which developers can then fix manually. The biggest benefit of compiler optimizations is the fact that they do not incur any runtime overhead. Dynamic profilers, on the other hand, provide accurate execution information about the actual instance of the poor data locality. However, compiler optimizations primarily focus on static heuristics. These static heuristics make assumptions that may not hold during program execution, and consequently, these compiler transformations can sometimes even hurt program performance. Dynamic profilers, on the other hand, rely on manual repair to eliminate data locality instead of automatically guide the optimizations. Moreover, these profilers generally incur significant performance overhead when used to detect data locality problems. To address these limitations, in this work, we propose Daemon, our profile-guided data locality optimization tool. In this work, first we propose selective profiling that can detect data locality problems accurately without incurring high performance overhead. Moreover, we use the data locality problems identified by selective profiling to automatically guide specific compiler optimizations that can eliminate those problems. In our evaluation, we show the efficiency of selective profiling and the effectiveness of targeted data locality optimizations. Specifically, we show that selective profiling overhead is negligible and only 1.36% on average. Our selective profiling guided optimizations provide on average 17% performance speedup for widely used benchmarks. And we find that our profile-guided data locality optimizations even speed up PostgreSQL, one of the most popular database systems, by 7% on average. Now let me describe the design of Daemon. First, in production, Daemon uses a lightweight dynamic monitoring technique, selective profiling, to analyze the locality behavior of production programs. Specifically, Daemon investigates whether a significant portion of the program execution time is bounded by the memory access latency. If that is the case, Daemon records corresponding cache miss related hardware events, and then offline, Daemon determines the patterns of memory accesses that cause poor data locality. Based on the identified memory access patterns, Daemon applies optimizations that improve locality and reduce program latency. This optimized program is then rebuilt and redeployed in production. Thus, Daemon has a continuous feedback loop between in-production monitoring and in-house optimizations. Now, let me describe these components in detail. For runtime monitoring, Daemon leverages the top-down methodology from Intel. Top-down has a hierarchical layering structure that enables focusing on many performance problems in modern microprocessors. For example, at layer 1, there could be 3 types of performance problems. Front-end problems due to issues in fetching and decoding instructions, back-end problems due to unavailable execution units or memory stalls, and bad speculations due to branch mispredictions. However, not all of these problems are related to data locality. Hence, Daemon only profiles for backend problems which could be because of poor data locality. At layer 2, backend problems can be categorized either due to unavailable execution units or because of memory stalls. Again, Daemon only focuses on profiling the memory stall problems. At layer 3, memory stall problems are further categorized at different levels of the memory hierarchy, where the application can face significant performance bottlenecks. For instance, if there are a lot of L1 cache misses, that is indicative that L2 is serving a lot of requests, so the application is L2 bound, and so on and so forth. Even in this layer, Daemon only profiles specific performance problems related to data locality problems. At layer 4, Daemon collects corresponding cache miss samples to identify the exact program location suffering from the poor data locality. This selective subtree related to data locality, where Daemon primarily focuses on, is called data locality tree. Now let us see how Daemon efficiently transitions at different levels of data locality tree via incremental monitoring. While restricting the performance profiling within the range of data locality tree reduces the monitoring overhead, it can still incur performance overhead not suitable for production use cases. Therefore, Daemon adopts an incremental monitoring approach which enables Daemon to monitor program executions in short time slices and increase the amount of information gathered for consecutive slices if evidence of poor data locality is found. By default, Daemon only profiles at layer 1 breakdown. During this profiling, if the execution is backend bound for at least 10% of all cycles, Daemon transitions to monitoring layer 2 breakdowns. In this breakdown, if Daemon determines that the execution is also memory bound for at least 10% of all cycles, Daemon starts monitoring layer 3 breakdowns. In the layer 3 breakdowns, if Daemon finds the execution is L2, L3 or DRAM bound for at least 10% of all cycles, Daemon gathers L1, L2 and L3 cache miss events in layer 4 and corresponding program counters to find program locations suffering from poor data locality. The instructions on those program locations are then analyzed offline to find the root cause of poor data locality and apply program transformations to resolve the issue. We use the default time slice 100 millisecond and the default threshold 10% based on the empirical evaluation. However, both of these parameters are configurable and we evaluate the sensitivity of Daemon to all of these parameters in the paper. In the paper, we have also shown that Daemon can identify even different data locality problems at various program phases using this incremental monitoring technique. Once Daemon identifies memory access instructions that suffer from poor data locality in production. It analyzes the corresponding instructions offline to determine the underlying cause of the poor data locality. As part of this analysis, Daemon static analysis first checks the addressing mode of the instruction. Specifically, Daemon determines whether the instruction uses direct or indirect addressing modes to access the data from memory. Here, direct addressing occurs if the memory access does not involve access to a different memory location, while indirect addressing involves access to a different memory location. Daemon uses direct prefetching and indirect prefetching to repair locality problems that stem from memory accesses using direct and indirect addressing. Daemon static analysis also check whether the instructions suffering from poor data locality access memory locations corresponding to structured members. Daemon searches for two key patterns when a structured member is accessed, namely unbalanced access and pointer chasing. Daemon employs another existing technique called structure splitting to repair unbalanced access and structure merging to repair pointer chasing. While we show only this static analysis and corresponding transformations, other optimizations can also be applied in a profile-guided manner using Daemon. To evaluate Daemon, we answer mainly three questions. How efficiently Daemon detects data locality issues by measuring its runtime overhead. How effectively Daemon eliminates data locality problems by measuring speedups after Daemon optimizations. And finally, how Daemon generalizes to large software systems by applying selective profiling to widely used real-world applications. Here we present a summary of these evaluation results. Please have a look at our paper for more details. We show that Daemon selective profiling incurs only 1.36% average overhead, which is 9 times lower than the overhead of the state-of-the-art data locality profiler. Daemon accurately detects data locality problems for many benchmarks from widely used benchmark suites like Parsec, Splash, and NPV suites. Daemon's selective profile-guided data locality optimizations deliver on average 17% and up to 53% speed up for these benchmarks, which is 20% more than speedups provided by the existing profile-guided data locality optimizer. Moreover, we show that Daemon detect and repair data locality problems for real-world applications such as Postgres, Apache Spark PageRank, and others. Specifically, we evaluate Daemon on Postgres using 22 TPCH queries, which we show in the x-axis. For all of these queries, we measure the percentage speedup provided by Daemon's selective profiling guided optimizations, which we show in the y-axis, where higher is better. As we show, Daemon's profile-guided data locality optimizations provide up to 17% and on average 7% speedup. In conclusion, we propose Daemon, a tool to optimize data locality using selective profiling. Selective profiling detects data locality problems in production accurately and efficiently. Daemon then uses selective profiling outputs to apply optimizations and repair data locality problems. Across a wide variety of applications and benchmarks, Daemon provides 17% speedup, which is while incurring only 1.36% overhead. Daemon's open source artifact is available at GitHub. Thanks for watching my presentation. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me.